Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix front, rear and armrest cigarette lighter or 12 volts socket, replacing the fuse in just 4 simple steps on BMW 5 Series, F10 and F11. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. So there is the front socket or the cigarette lighter, and we will check if the cigarette lighter is working, and we will use a USB card charger. If you can see, the red LED light is not on, so the USB card charger is not working, or the 12 volt socket is not working. So we will try in the back, on the rear, and also in the back the 12 volt socket is not working. So to fix it, we just have to open the trunk and take the cover from the right side out to see the fuse panel. And there is the red fuse puller. Also take the fuse panel diagram out and look for the cigarette lighter or 12 volt socket symbols and identify the fuses. So there is the symbol for cigarette lighter or 12 volt sockets, and he has fuses on 54, 65, 108, 147 and 176 positions. So first we will start with 54 position. So it's on the fuse panel located in the glove box. It's the small one. So there is the fuse on the 54 position. Then let's see the other one from the 65. There it is, the 65 position. So we will look for the 108. So the 108, it's on the fuse box from the luggage compartment. So there it is. Then we will look for the 147 fuse position. 147 position. So there it is, the 147 position. It's also on the fuse panel located in the luggage compartment, in the trunk. And the last one, 176, it's over there, also on the fuse panel located in the luggage compartment or in the trunk. So one of the fuse panels is located in the glove box behind that small cover. So lift that plastic up and then take it out. Then replace the yellow fuse that has 20 ampere from the 54 position. So there it is, with the second one from the bottom. So use the bigger end of the fuse puller to remove the fuse from the 54 position. So there it is. So this is the fuse that you have to replace it with the new one. So replace it with the same color and the same ampere fuse. This one has 20 ampere. That's it, and let's check if the USB charger is working. So if you can see, the red LED it's on, so now it's working. So we will try also in the back, on the rear cigarette lighter or 12 volt socket. So there it is, it's working. So you have to replace just one fuse for these two front and rear sockets to work. So let's see now if the USB charger is working on the cigarette lighter or 12 volt socket from the armrest. So there it is, it's not working also in the armrest. The red LED is not on, so let's replace the fuse. So for the cigarette lighter or 12 volt socket located in the armrest, you have to replace the 15 ampere fuse from the 65 position. So there is it. There it is, the blue one with 15 ampere. So we will use the small end of the fuse puller to remove it. So if you can see, we remove the fuse from the fuse panel. So there it is. If you can see, it's not okay with the fuse, so we will replace it. You can find car fuses, Sarmon kits, standard and mini size, and fuse puller in the video description below. So we will replace it with the same ampere and with the same color. So we put a new fuse in that place. So now let's check if the USB card charger is working. The red LED light is on. You just have to replace the fuse from the 65 position. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comment section. Close that cover back. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.